how to use the content aware scale feature on Photoshop. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how to use the feature. So the content aware scale feature is pretty handy, and it will make sure that the scaling or the resizing is done in correct proportions. So let me take this picture, the hot air balloons picture for example, and show you how it works. So as you can see, I have two images which are both the same. I just duplicated the original image and now it is the background as well. So let me just resize this image and show you on how the scaling is done normally without the content aware feature being turned on. So now as you can see that the images, now I just reduced the width down to 50%, and you can see everything is a little squeezed up. So I can pull up the background image for comparison. You can see that the balloon size is not actually the way it should be, and yeah, everything is a little squeezed up. So if you want to make sure that this doesn't happen, all you have to do is, before resizing the image, just switch on the content aware scale feature. You can do this by clicking on edit and clicking on content aware scale. And once you do this, and now I'll rescale the image just like I did previously. I will go down to 50%, and now you can see the difference. The scaling is done according to the original image. It is aware that the content requires a certain level of scaling, and you can see the difference is not there anymore, and the scaling is done proportionally and according to the content that is there in the picture. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys on how you can use the feature better for future purposes, and you learn a little bit of Photoshop here and there, and hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.